Hello, South Lebanon families and community members. My name is Mr. Brown, and I am the proud principal of South Lebanon Elementary School. Our vision for South Lebanon Elementary School is to provide a safe environment where students are empowered to become leaders and embrace challenges to reach their individual goals. Our team of educators here at South Lebanon have only one thing in mind, and that is to create a safe environment for your children to learn and thrive. We will focus on goal setting, student leadership, and promoting positive behaviors and character traits. Our theme for this school year will be developing a community of leaders. This is a theme that we are going to continue to reinforce and develop for years to come. As we develop this theme with opportunities for student leadership, we will provide you with updates in our monthly newsletters. As we begin this year, we know that there are questions about what the school year will look like. We know that there are disagreements in our community about mask wearing and the pandemic in general. Our plan is to make sure that our school year is as normal as possible for students. We know that some students will choose to wear masks. We know that some students will choose not to wear them. We know that this is a family decision, and we'll respect each and every family decision. We know that many of our students and families are experiencing some type of anxiety about coming back to school and what school will look like. In our school creed, students say every morning after the Pledge of Allegiance, the students state that they will strive for success, they will own their actions, they will accept differences and respect people and property. Teaching our students the value of respect for others is the foundation for our success at South Lebanon. So what will school look like? School will look like students and staff working together and respecting one another, regardless of their differences. Ultimately, we will soar as South Lebanon Falcons. I'd like you to take some time to read the contents of this newsletter about our procedures for the 21-22 school year. We're looking forward to a fantastic year. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call myself here at South Lebanon or our office staff. Thank you, and have a great weekend leading up to the school year, and we will see you on Monday morning.